I'm from Lahaina. I've only ever lived in Lahaina. The good thing about Lahaina is that we're a community and we all take care of each other.
Reflecting on our journey, it's impossible not to be in awe of the accomplishments and victories we have worked so hard to achieve, representing not only our school, but also our community. Although our journey here on campus is coming to an end, let this not be the end of our journey together. We have the opportunity to make a difference in our home. It is our kuleana now to be the leaders in our community, calling for change, especially in spaces where young Hawaiian voices are needed. Like what Pauahi envisioned for us, we all must play our part to become good and industrious young men and women to bring positive change to the lāhui.
As we move forward into the unknown, let us carry with us the compass Pauahi has given us. Today, we stand at the trailhead, ready to embark on new adventures and face new challenges. But as we do, we must remember that we have a compass with us, a guiding force that always points us toward our passions and dreams. It is our responsibility to follow its direction, to remain steadfast on our path, and to never lose sight of our goals. So together, let us go forth with our compass in hand, ready to navigate our futures with confidence and purpose. Let us set sail and chart our own destinies, having our impact felt around the globe.